Hi everyone, today we are drawing a T-Rex. So let's draw with me. Let's draw the marker to make this beautiful picture more visible. Orange color.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat won't pull, Mama's
Yellow
gonna
color.
buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart
Pink color.
and bull turns over,
Please like, share and
Mama's
subscribe.
gonna
See you in
buy
the next
a dog
video.
named